Attention, before I start this video, do not try this at home, cause it's very serious. The same thing can happen to you guys if you flush a toilet while someone is taking a shower. So please don't do this at home. Anyways, enjoy the video.
I'm going to Pikachu's house, flush the toilet while Pikachu is taking a shower.
After Bully arrived at Pikachu's house.
Here I am at Pikachu's house. Flush the toilet on purpose to cause the water to go hot on me. That's it. I'm calling Mario about this and make them call his parents.
It sure is a nice day to relax and watch some TV. Oh, there goes my phone. Hello.
Hello? Is this Mario? It's me. Pikachu.
Yes, it's me, Mario. Oh, hello,
Pikachu.
What can I do for you today?
Bully. You cheat my castle and flush the toilet on purpose to cause the water to go hot on me while I was taking a shower.
Bully.
Did what? Oh, 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 oh. That's it. I will call
His
parents to
ground him.
right now. Thanks.
Pikachu.
You may continue your shower.
You're welcome, Mario. Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Pikachu.
Now to call
Bully's
parents to ground.
him.
Hello. Hello,
Bully's
Father. This is Mario speaking, and I'm calling about your...
son Bully.
You're calling about
Our son Bully.
what
Did he do?
it's time.
He
Came to
Pikachu's house
and flushed the toilet on purpose to cause the water to go hot on him.
him while he
Was taking a shower.
Bully.
Did what? Oh my God.
He is
So grounded. Thank you for telling me about this. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.
at Bully's house. Bully.
How dare you go to
Pikachu's house.
to flush the toilet and cause the shower to spray hot water on
Pikachu while he's
taking a shower because of you.
Pikachu
Has to take a cold shower and freeze while still
taking his
a shower. But is so it. You are so grounded for 333 months.
Now get to your room now.
That's the end of the video. And remember what I said in the beginning.